What's up YouTube? So welcome to another video on hot trades. My name is Blaze. So in this video I'll be looking at the key levels for NIO, ticker symbol NIO. So if you're looking to trade NIO over the next week, these are the levels you should be watching. So if you've been following NIO and the whole EV space as a whole, so stocks like NIO, Zpeng, Lee, and Solo, all these stocks have just been on a crazy run lately, right? So NIO week to date is up about 7%. Month to date it's up about 60%. Over the last 3 months, NIO is up 217%, and over the last 6 months, NIO is up 1,134%. So all these stocks have just been on a crazy massive tear lately. So they're really extended. So NIO on Friday was really strong and it was pushing new all-time highs around the $54 level, and then this hit piece came out. So Citron, your favorite short seller, came out with this hit piece and said that NIO is way too extended and all the projections that NIO is putting out are way too high. And basically they're saying that NIO is going back down to $25. And it's funny that Citron says this now, just because that Citron was the same company that came out 2 years ago and said and recommended NIO at $7. So now Citron is saying that NIO is way too extended and they think that NIO is going back down to $25. The issue here with this thing is that Citron is a really reliable short seller. So people really pay attention to what Citron says. So that's why we dropped really hard on Friday. So over the next week, I'm watching this uptrend line. I'm watching for NIO to hold this uptrend line and move higher. Even though I'm watching this uptrend line, I'm not really paying a whole lot of attention to it, just because NIO just has way too much going on and it's really volatile. So NIO, the reason I say that is because NIO also has earnings on Tuesday, and with earnings, and that's especially true with NIO just because it's really volatile. With earnings, you can expect a 20 to 30% move in either direction, and again, that's really true with NIO, right? Just because it's really volatile. So I'm not really willing to gamble 20 to 30%. So I'm gonna wait, and I recommend this for you as well. If you're looking to trade NIO as well, I recommend that you wait for this Citron news to settle, and for NIO, for the ER to come, for the earnings to come out on Tuesday, and for all of that to blow over, and then you can get a really good a good entry at a level that's settled, right? So that's what I'm looking for over the next week. That's it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. If you have any questions about anything, drop it in the comment section and I'll do my best to get to you. Thank you.